Want to make a banner for your Discord server, but don't know where or how to start? Then this is a perfect video for you. Let's start with something important, that is, this video is meant for cons or for those who don't want to go into so much editing and stuff. And this is an easy or simple technique and not preferable for advanced users. And if you want something extraordinary, do it on some cool software like After Effects or something like that. So without wasting time, let's get onto the job. For this I have found a website of someone I don't know, but some Discord user I suppose. And this has made our work so much easy. So first go onto the website named auto.creavit.co and navigate as per your need. I say this because if you intend to spend money in your pocket for this dirty stuff, then go for the premium ones. If you don't want to spend out your pocket on this shit, then go for the free ones. This website has all kinds of stuff related to Discord servers and profiles. It has animated Discord server banner, animated profile, and all sorts of stuff which starts with animated. In this video I will only do a tutorial on creating an animated GIF, or what should I call it? Say a banner, I suppose. I think I have said that I have a Bcoins faction. For all those who don't know what is Bcoins, just a brief idea. It's just an economy bot like DankMimmer. Don't say you don't know what is DankMimmer. I will put the faction server link in the description. In that I have a clan or faction called Meteoroids, and I will be making a banner for it today. Now you need certain terms, which will help you in the way. Say like giveaways every day, donor perks, etc. In this I have added some. And there you go. Fill down the CAPTCHA. And boom. It's done. It's that simple, and it's damn cool. It also a lot template to prefer from, and all are equally good. Choose among one of them and do your stuff. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's so awkward to say such shit things in the end, but it's really important. If you like this video, please drop down a like. If you are interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. You may also join my Discord server if you are interested. So bye guys, see you in my next video.